somebody show me that door, yeah. You know, just taking it slow.
Hey y'all, it's Jada and I'm back with another makeup tutorial. Now this tutorial is gonna be like an eye look, of course. I'm not really sure what look I'm going for, so I don't have a title for this just yet, but I do know it's gonna be like a blue purplish look. Okay, so without further ado, oh wait, I know we've been like gone for like a week or two, but we're honestly just trying to get like our lives together right now because of school. So we're gonna be back. I mean, we're back. We're not leaving YouTube. Just trying to get, you know, priorities in check. But yes, but without further ado, let's get into the video. Hey y'all, so first I'm starting with my Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, and this is my first time using this primer, hence the sample size, and I've already washed my face and all of that, so this is the primer step. After I use my primer, I'm going to prime my eyelids with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the shade Fawn. Now, priming your eyelids is essential to wearing super pigmented eyeshadows because you really want them to show up. So after you prime your eyelids, you should set your eyelids. That I didn't do, but it still turned out okay, but make sure you set your eyelids. So first we're going in with the shade Black Beauty from the Itsmyrayeraye palette, and we're just putting that all in the crease. After you finish both eyes in the crease, I use my Juvias Place, the Masquerade palette, and the color I decided to go with was Delilah, and I used that for the first half of my lid, like from the crease to the center of my lid. Okay, so after you finish both eyes with the Delilah, I'm using the color Chai. It's like this deep purple color, and I added that to the outer corner of my eye because I felt like, you know, it needed some more color, some more purple. After that, I'm going to go back in with the color Black Beauty from Itsmyrayeraye's palette and put that back into my inner crease to deepen up the look. You should definitely use a transition shade when dealing with dark colors, but I didn't, so don't be like me. I'm actually going to go back into the Masquerade palette and use this green emerald color Molly and put this under my waterline. Y'all, when I tell you, this was so hard for me to try to like film so y'all could see it, but you get the idea. I'm just putting it under my lower lash line. After that, I'm going to go back with Chai and blend that out under my lower lash line as well. And now I'm going to take a MAC, just a regular MAC eyeliner, and put that in my waterline. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I just finished my whole face, really, and don't worry. Everything I did is the same steps, same product, same steps. The only thing I did differently is for my highlight, I used, okay, so let's do that again. For my highlight, I used French Toast, which is this shade right here. And then I added Global Glow on top of it. This MAC highlighter. That's the only thing I did differently. Right now I'm about to finish the eye look. I went ahead and did my eyebrows, my foundation, my concealer. That's pretty much it. I'm getting ready to do my wing eyeliner, which I'm so nervous for. Even though this eye look is desperately calling for a wing, but I'm so scared because I hate doing them. I'm trying to figure out if I want to put on lashes or not. I'm not sure, but we will see. I guess I could just put on some mascara. I don't know. I really feel like I need some lashes. We'll see. So, about to get into this wing, and I'm using EYEKO London, and it's their Precise Smudge Proof Pitch Black Skinny Liquid Eyeliner. So that's what we're about to use, and yep. Okay, so the wing eyeliner, the wing eyeliner did not work, y'all. Like, it wasn't going great for me. So I just smudged it into my crease. I guess I could have did a better job at smudging it in. But yeah, we're not gonna worry about that today because it looked awful. My wings looked awful. So I'm not gonna do it. But I am gonna put some lashes on since I can't do my wing correctly. I don't know what lashes these are. They're some lashes from the beauty supply store. I'm using this Salon Pro hair glue. I use it as lash glue. I have some other lash glue, but I ain't feel like finding everything. This was just right there, and I do use this a lot. So, I guess I could have got my tweezers. Do I have tweezers over here? Please say yes. Y'all, and then I tried to use this new eyeliner, so it wasn't working for me. But yes, that's how I put on the lash. I hope the camera got that. If not, I can make like a tutorial, lash tutorial. As you can see, I use these lashes a lot. Like, it's so much glue build up on here. I've seen like videos where you could wash lashes, but shoot, I don't wear these enough to be like trying to wash them and whatnot. These lashes are like whoosh, whoosh. I didn't realize how like dramatic they were. They don't look that dramatic, but when they go on, they popping. If I go to the store, I can probably find the lashes, but all I have right now is that they came in this sliding case, and that's it. That's all I got. Sorry. That's all I have. So again, you just stick the lash just on your eye. Just place it on your eye. Oh, this needs to go further down over here. And then you take this in, pull it to the inside of your lash. Okay, if it wants to go. All right, there you go. Then just keep, you yank it. No, not yank it. Oh my gosh, not yank it. But you just pull it where you want it to go. I think I cut this lash, so this lash is a little shorter. Not the length, but like the width is a little shorter than the other one. So I'm just spreading the lashes so they can look like it's all over my eye. These are long. Cause when I go buy lashes, I just go pick some up. Whoa. Wow. Okay, y'all. We almost done. I just need to find a lip color, and then we really done. We really done. Ooh, this brown right here is really calling my name, so I'm gonna put that on. Hold on, let me do my Cupid's bow highlight. Let me do my Cupid's bow highlight real quick. I told y'all my Cupid's bow is really inexistent. I just do that to make myself feel better. But yes. Wow, this NYX lingerie lipstick is so creamy. This is in the color Teddy. I usually don't even put on matte lipsticks without I'm trying to talk, y'all. I'm about to mess up. I usually don't even put on matte lipsticks without a liner, but this is not that bad. Wow, y'all. If y'all ever do this look, you gonna come for somebody. Like, even if they didn't send for you, you coming anyway. Well, that's the finished look, y'all. I'm really done. Like, I'm done. I'm done. Time for some slow-mos. But yes, this is the end of the video tutorial. I'm really amazed because I really just freestyled this look, y'all, because I didn't know what I was gonna do. But I really love it. Like, wow. Like, if I had somewhere to go, whoa. Whoa, okay. So y'all, I'm so excited. This looks bomb AF. Like, whoa. But yes, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And make sure you come back here for more videos, because it's only going up from here. It's only going up, okay? So thank you for watching this tutorial, and I'll see y'all in my next video.